Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be back after taking about a month off. Really just needed that time. We just had a really busy with the holidays in December, and then January we just had a big move. Just haven't had the chance to sit down and film, but I'm back. We are more settled and ready to get more into the swing of things, to really focus on my channel and really work on getting more content out for you guys. So I wanted to jump back on here and just do a unboxing for you guys. So we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing today. So I've had this cutie for about 2 weeks. I purchased it on January 31st. So it is now, what day is today? Today's the 19th of February. So I've had this little beauty in my closet for about 3 weeks, which I know I really wanted to bust her out and use her, but I really wanted to tape it and just do an unboxing for you guys, and let you guys, open it up with you guys, share my joy. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. So if you are new to my channel, welcome guys. Thank you for being here. My name is Jen. I'm a mommy and just a lover of things fashion and beauty and luxury, and I'm just on here sharing what I love, sharing it with you. So that's what my channel's about. If you guys have anything that you would love to see, any content you'd love for me to do, please let me know. I'd love to see your comments down below. So if you're new, I'd love for you to subscribe and join me on my YouTube journey, and really growing out there with you guys. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the little notification bell so you get notified of when I upload videos. And let's get started. So like I said, I purchased this beauty on the 31st of January. Here's the receipt. So just a Louis Vuitton receipt. And I purchased it in January, and they still had the really cute holiday packaging, which I really like. I like the gold little flecks in the ribbon. So really excited to add more packaging. Let me tell you, moving luxury bags, I think that was the most stressful part. It's the last thing to go, and I just had them all neatly stacked in my car, just to make sure I get them. And I really have less space where I'm at right now, so unfortunately the majority of them have to stay in their boxes and dust bags, but they are safely put away. And then the ones that I rotate the most are out, and then I can always grab them. But anyways, so it comes in this really cute dust in the little drawstring box, slide box. There's the dust bag, and as you can see by the box, it's not, it's not a bag or anything, just something small. Let's put this back. Cute dust bag. And can you guys guess what it is? Comment below if you have an idea of what it is. So I got the Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene key pouch. So the little key pouch. I have been wanting this SLG for a while. It's been on my wish list for about 2 years, I want to say 2 years. And I've just been really excited about it. So let's see, we have the little, let's see if it'll focus for you guys. Oh, there goes. The P.O. Clays Damier Ebene, and then the little textile card for it. And then here she is, made in Paris. And I'm not sure, I'll have to search for the, oh, there it is, the little serial numbers up here in the corner. So really excited, really smooth zipper pull, so that's awesome. Now I didn't purchase this really to use for a keychain for my keys. My main purpose, I think what I'm going to do with it is more, not the key, is more the pouch. I want to use it to put extra cards, not credit cards because right now everything fits in my wallet, but just like store cards, like the bonus cards or the cards that get you just, you know, like those little cards that you get at stores. Keep those, coupons, maybe some change or any stuff in here. So we'll see. I'm going to play around with it and see what it ends up, and I'll definitely come back on and share with you guys, do a review on the usage after I've had time to use it in my bags. But this is definitely something that will be in use in rotation, probably in all my bags. Honestly, my small leather goods, for as pricey as this was, and this does retail for $200 here in the US, yes, it is pricey, it is luxury, but I literally use my SLGs on a daily basis. They're used every day, so the cost per wear is beyond. It's worth it. It's an investment. For me, I see it as an investment, in my opinion. But I will definitely be using this little cutie really soon. I'm gonna actually probably today, and I'll come back on if you guys are interested in seeing a wear and tear or a review after using it for, I'm gonna say, like 1 to 2 months. I really want time to just use it, really see, you know, how I reach for it, what I use it for, and come back on and give you guys that that experience and that review as well. So definitely let me know if that's something you're interested in. So yes, I got the Damier Ebene key pouch. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments down below. That's it for this video. Again, guys, if there's anything that you would love to see, please let me know down in the comment section down below. I would love for you to subscribe, and make sure you just hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Have a great day, guys. Bye.